Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Huron Troop, 3rd Squadron, 4th Cavalry Regiment Change of Responsibility Ceremony. On the field before you is Sergeant First Class Tony Tosiak, and the soldiers of Huron Troop, 3rd Squadron, 4th Cavalry Regiment. Please. Of the troop are symbolized by the guide. Traditionally, the guide on service indicating the trust and confidence held in the troop. Friends and family of Rocket Brigade, thank you for your attendance. Trusted Lightning, none better, prepared and loyal, part of the tribe. Let's go. This is my
Sir, this concludes today's ceremony.
Thank you, Sergeant Troop.
Part of the tribe.
Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes today's ceremony. On behalf of the officers, non-commissioned officers, and troopers of Huron Troop, thank you for attending.